Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to go over how does an SRM system restore a rubber roof. So I have an old 1998 Honda Prelude, and if someone came to me and said, "Hey Greg, I want to restore your car," I'd say, what are you going to do? You're going to give me some blinker fluid, you're going to fix my turbo brake, or you're going to give me some rear fuel injectors. None of those exist, and if you're unfamiliar with SRMs, I'm going to show you how we restore it so you know exactly what's going to happen when we restore it. First step is we're going to do a roofing survey. So we use an infrared thermal scanner, and we'll just go over your roof, and that'll determine the level of saturation that your roof currently has. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to clean your roof. So it's rubber, it's been through the elements all those years. We'll spray down some primer and clean it and get all those contaminants out, so we're playing with the clean surface. And next thing we'll do, and most importantly, is we'll treat your seams. And there's two different options how we treat the seams. One is coating, mesh, and another level of coating over top of that. And another option is self-adhering tape. And we'll go over with you in person on the details of which one's better and the costs and all that. Then after that, finally it's time to lay down the magic juice. So depending on the weather, we'll roll the silicone over it or we'll spray it. And we'll do the entire roof. So it's one monolithic, seamless, waterproof layer. And then the last thing is, the warranty. So we'll get with the product manufacturer. They'll come out, look at your roof, make sure everything's all right in working order, and depending on what we've done and what you're looking for, we can get you a new 10 or 15-year warranty. Hope you learned something new today. For more information, in the description there's a URL to the complete blog post. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.